Another question people have for me is why I sometimes in some videos have a stick-on fingernail. Simple reason for that, my ring fingernail tends to break off sometimes. It's not as strong as my other nails. Also, for you people who have trouble getting a really good tone with your own fingernails, stick-on fingernails may work. Flamenco players use them a lot because they play so hard that their fingernails seem to break off during playing. Problem is, if you walk around with something like this, you might look a little funny when you're not playing guitar. On the other hand, if people ever ask you about it, there's a great conversation piece. You can tell them that you're a classical guitar player. Thought of the day, sometimes all it takes for happiness is a little bit of self-delusion.